Breaking news on your screen, top-level BCCI huddle taking place to formulate a response on Virat's bombshell. BCCI exploring options to respond to Virat's charges on captaincy acts. BCCI leadership discussing response strategy. Virat now flying out to South Africa with the test team, while BCCI is left to firefight. That's the big news in the cricketing world. While Virat Kohli is on that trip to South Africa, BCCI firefighting, coming up with a response to those allegations, to his bombshells on captaincy acts. That's the latest controversy that we're seeing BCCI has landed in. They're exploring all options to respond to Virat's charges. And the leadership is discussing in a huddle as we speak, finding a response, finding a strategy. The BCCI leadership getting together, while Virat, of course, is headed to South Africa with the test team. BCCI in firefighting mode. Rahul Rawat joining us live on the story. Rahul, take us through all the latest. What are some of the options? What is likely? The BCCI, of course, firefighting the latest allegations here. What can we expect to hear?
Well, firstly, of course, whatever Virat said yesterday, BCCI has not taken it kindly. And definitely they are formulating a strategy how to come up with a response against all the claims that Virat has made. And till yesterday, of course, we were hearing that somebody from the BCCI or maybe a chief selector would come up and his views as far as Virat has made. Now, of course, they are in a tricky situation. It's a catch-22 situation for BCCI. On one hand, they know that at least they believe that whatever Virat has said is not right. And secondly, they can't come out in open. They are thinking whether they can come out in open and deny and tell people that whatever the Indian captain has said is all lie. And secondly, would they prefer to remain silent, because in that situation, they would seem to be on the wrong side of the stick. Now, the options that they are left with is they can come up with a statement, just a written statement for the media, for the press, for the people about chronologically whatever happened at that particular moment. Because what people in the BCCI that we've spoken to are saying is that
right.
Nine people, including 5 selectors, even Rohit Sharma, for that matter, was present in that meeting when Virat, when Sourav Ganguly and other people had told him that he should, continue with his T20 captaincy.
Rahul will await further developments on that. In the press conference ahead of the South Africa tour, Kohli said, and I'm just going to take you through really what he was saying, at that time, that there was no communication between him and BCCI to continue as T20 captain. On the other side, BCCI chief Ganguly claimed that he had personally requested Virat Kohli to continue as T20 captain. So why was there a communication gap between the world's richest cricket board and one of India's best cricket players? Our next report explores.
Indian Test captain Virat Kohli has dropped a bombshell. In his press conference ahead of India's tour of South Africa, Kohli has directly debunked BCCI chief Sourav Ganguly's earlier claims. Kohli says there was no communication between him and the BCCI regarding whether they wanted him to continue as India's T20 captain. Kohli claims the BCCI never questioned his decision of leaving the T20 captaincy and accepted it without any fuss.
जब T20 कैप्टनसी को छोड़ने की मैंने पहले BCCI से कम्युनिकेट किया, सबसे पहले मैंने BCCI को अप्रोच किया कि मेरा ये पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू है, ये डिसीजन है और इन रीजंस की वजह से मैं ये करना चाहता हूं, तो उसको बहुत एक अच्छे तरीके से रिसीव किया गया. उसमें कोई ऑफेंस नहीं थी, उसमें कोई हेजिटेशन नहीं थी, उसमें मुझे ये नहीं कहा गया था कि आप T20 कैप्टनसी ना छोड़िए, बल्कि उसको बहुत अच्छे से रिसीव किया गया कि बहुत एक प्रोग्रेसिव स्टेप है और सही डायरेक्शन में है.
The Indian team captain's response comes less than a week after BCCI chief Sourav Ganguly claimed he personally requested Kohli to continue as T20 captain. Ganguly had earlier claimed that Kohli had decided to quit T20 captaincy because he was feeling the workload. In an interview with a news agency, Ganguly also said Virat Kohli was removed as the one-day captain because selectors only wanted one white ball captain. Kohli was also honest about how the whole one-day captaincy saga transpired. While mentioning Rohit Sharma as an able captain, Kohli claimed he was sacked as the one-day skipper less than an hour before the announcement was made official, indicating that he was shoddily treated by the board.
Whatever was said about the communication that happened during the decision that was made was inaccurate. I was contacted 1.5 hours before the selection meeting on the 8th for the test series, and there was no prior communication with me at all since I announced the T20 captaincy decision. The chief selector discussed with me the test team, to which we both agreed, and before ending the call, I was told that the 5 selectors have decided that I will not be the ODI captain, and that's what happened. There was no communication prior to that at all.
Clearly, Kohli's remarks highlight how there's a massive communication gap between the BCCI and the Indian Test captain. Whether we'll see a clarification from the BCCI's president, Sourav Ganguly himself, we'll have to wait and watch. Hanging in the balance is the integrity and unity of Team India. Sports Bureau, India Today.